We are all not lovers of pork, but once you try this recipe, you're never going back. So started off by applying some mustard to act as the base for our spices so that they can infuse well, and apply generous amount of the mustard. Don't usiogope, don't, yeah. Then brown sugar, the BBQ spice, paprika, cumin, and any other spice of choice. Then apply it. Use generous amount of the spices for best results, and also for better result, ensure that if you're eating the pork like today, you should have marinated it yesterday for better flavor and better results. So this is fish spice. It's both for white meats, yeah, and it has the best flavor. I found it some time back at the supermarket, tried it on some sample on chicken, and I loved it, and I bought it. But it's the best. It has lemon and herbs and salts. That's why I did not add salt. So days after marinating your pork, which is the previous day, put it on a aluminium foil or parchment paper, then cover it well so that also the steam or the moisture will cook it on the inside and also make it soft. Then in a preheated oven, put your pork to bake for around 1 hour, 1.5 hours at 200 degrees Celsius. Once the pork is in the oven, we make the sauce, which has vinegar, soy sauce, sugar or honey, and ketchup. Then you stir continuously so that the mixture, the sauce, does not form lumps, and then reduce your heat and let it simmer till it thickens. Once the pork is 85% done, remove it from the oven and baste it with the barbecue sauce, and repeat this process 2 or 3 times, preferably 3 times for better results on both sides, and then return it to the oven to bake, and this will give you a crunchy, and the bones will fall off themselves of the meat of the pork. Try this recipe and you will always love pork. You will always want to have pork if you're not a lover of pork. And why stress yourself with hustling in the kitchen when I can cook for you such a meal at an affordable price for you, for your loved one, this love month, for your family? So hit my DM and I'll give you the services.